Chair.
The Honourable Anne Tolley.
Mr Chair, I just want to make a couple of comments, and there's been some impassioned speeches in the House on this issue, and look, I understand the concerns, but I just want to remind members of the House that actually it is the courts that have the power to decide when a child is removed. It is the court that makes that decision. It's not the state. The state makes representations on behalf of that child in order to keep them safe. But the essential part of the safety net, if you like, is that the court considers all the evidence and makes the final decision. And that, I think, is the best protection that we can give the system. The second thing is that the comment's been made that these powers could be delegated to anyone. Well, that's not true. Read the bill. Read the bill. The bill says quite clearly that the person has to be appropriately qualified to perform the function or exercise the power, taking into account the person's training, experience and interpersonal skills. So it's not just going to go to any Tom, Dick or Harry. That power goes to someone who has the experience, who has the skills and who has the interpersonal skills that are necessary. And we're not just talking about one small part. The intention is that right through the bill, right through the current Act, it is only a constable or a social worker who can do a large range of jobs. And that is not acceptable in today. It is not. The evidence is clear that we need more than social workers, and that's what this bill intends to put in place. So, yep, look, I understand that there are some reservations about this, and I'm sad that the previous member's going to be sad, but we have thought very long and carefully about this, and I come back to the fact I made at the start. The court, who is completely independent from Parliament, makes the decision, has the power to make those decisions, whether to uplift a child from its family. The ultimate decision in a child's life is made by a completely independent power, that is our courts.